dental bridge is basically an appliance that is fixed into your existing teeth or implants and is giving you back the missing teeth that you have. So basically it replaces the missing teeth and it is attached to implants or existing teeth. It is not something that comes out. It is glued to those teeth, and we obviously make it look like your natural teeth and match the shade. So once everything is done, nobody can even tell you're missing those teeth. If you would like to find out if bridge is an option for you, please give us a call for a free consult and a scan, and we'll go over all the options that are available, and that way you can make the best decision for yourself.